All right, got this in today from Kiss My Wax Records. So anyone who knows Kiss My Wax Records knows what it is. And there we go. Uh-oh. Fear no evil. All right, let's see what we got in here. Whoo-wee! And I'm a little bummed out. There was one edition that came with a ticket to any Slaughter concert. But I think it was announced that was already shipped, and I knew at this point I was not the person getting that item. So I should be more careful. All excited, I'm about to screw up the box, getting the shrink wrap off. Slow down, slow down. All right, here we go. So let's see what is in the definitive edition box. All right, here we go. First, the surviving members of Slaughter's autographs and Demos and Rarities record and a sticker maybe, and a cool booklet. Sorry. How would I flip it for you guys? I don't know. Slaughter. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, it's kind of sealed. Alright. Alright, my youngest daughter's filming this, and me and her mom got to shake Mark's hand at a concert that was around this area. Dana Strum, we didn't get to shake his hand. Blas, Elias, drummer, and the deceased guitar player. Anyway, cool stuff. But let's see how this goes. Okay, here's where I'm worried. Let's see if the autographs, ooh, still look good. How you like that? And regular black vinyl. Ooh. And the, let's see how this one looks. Slaughter, Demos, and Rarities. Ooh. Come on, come on. All right. With the snakes. And all right. Anyway, happy to get this. It's been probably about a year now. I ordered this over a year ago with all the pressing delays and such. Finally got it. So yay! Thank you, Jason and Joe from Kiss My Wax Records. Happy to have this. And thank you, Lily, my photographer. That's it.